So in that particular non-consumable electrode welding, we are in the mid of that particular advanced technique that is known as the resistance welding technique, and it's a kind of a group of fusion welding process that use a combination of heat and pressure to accomplish coalescence, and also required to heat generated by the electric resistance to current flow at junction to be welded. So it basically utilizing the resistance of the heat electricity that lead is to the weld, and in this particular that where the welding is happen, it not create kind of a weld pool. It is known as a kind of a nugget, weld nugget. तो अभी जो नॉर्मल वेल्डिंग दूसरे वेल्डिंग्स होते थे उसमें वेल्ड पूल बनता था, इसमें वेल्ड नगेट बनता है, राइट। तो उसके बारे में हम लोग डिटेलिंग करेंगे, पूरी रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग को डिटेलिंग करेंगे किस तरह से ये काम करता है और क्या है। सो द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दिस रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग ऑफ that particular utilizing this electrical resistance, so we can perform this particular operation in a very efficient manner. As you can see this particular slide, that the resistance welding, that technology utilizing in the manufacturing industry for joining metal sheet and component. So basically ये sheet metals के लिए utilizing में आता है, and the weld that is made by conducting a strong current थ्रू द मेटल। दो मेटल्स को रख के उसके ऊपर से हम इलेक्ट्रोड को ज्वाइन कराते हैं। आप फिगर में देख सकते हैं कि दूसरी जो वेल्डिंग होती थी वो दो वेल्ड पीस के बीच में हम लोग वेल्ड करते थे, बट इसमें क्या है, दोनों वेल्ड पीस के ऊपर नीचे रख के हम लोग उसको वेल्ड कर रहे हैं। सो दैट यूटिलाइजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस, एंड दैट इज ड्यू टू दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन। आप देख सकते हैं रेड एरिया जो है वहाँ पे क्या है, हीट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होना स्टार्ट होता है, और यही कारण है इट लीडिंग टू द काइंड ऑफ अ स्पॉट वेल्डिंग, और वी कैन से द रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग बेसिकली। So the weld that is made by conducting a strong current through the metal with the combination to the heat up and finally melt the metals at a localized point, and that is the predetermined by the design of the electrode or the workpiece that is to be weld. So ये पहले से डिटरमाइंड एरिया लोकेटेड होता है जहाँ पे हम लोग दो वर्कपीस को रखते हैं, जैसा कि आप फिगर में देख भी सकते हैं। यहाँ पे एक पर्सन जो है वो स्पॉट वेल्डिंग के मशीन के पास खड़ा है, और उसके पैर के नीचे आप देखेंगे एक पैडल रखा हुआ है। वही पैडल क्या करता है, जो ऊपर वाला इलेक्ट्रोड है उसको बीच मतलब टच कराने का काम करता है। तो जब वो टच होता है तो सर्किट कंप्लीट होती है, और जिस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे वो टच होता है वहाँ पे हीट लोकलाइज होती है, जनरेट होती है, जिसके वजह से वेल्ड नगेट बनता है, और जो पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल होता है वो वेल्ड हो जाता है, राइट। सो दैट द पर्टिकुलर बेसिक थिंग्स। और क्या होता है कि जो फोर्स है हम अप्लाई करते हैं ड्यूरिंग एंड आफ्टर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर करंट, और कुछ देर के लिए उसको होल्ड करके रखते हैं पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे, एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ वर्क पीस दैट इज रिलेटिंग टू द फोर्ज। So that is the resistance welding. As you can see, the particular electrode are focused at a point, and when the current is circuit is completed, that particular point is initiated with the heat, and that localize the coalescence of the material, and weld nugget created. As you can see in the figure as well, there is a weld nugget and the sheet metal part is to be weld. So the positive and negative force is applied from the electrodes and these component in the basically the process of this particular group. So the working of principle of this resistance welding is the generation of the heat because of the electric resistance. So that resistance welding such as seam, spot, projection work on the same principle, but the things are very similar, and that have a kind of types of various okay. So what we were talking about, the types of the welding, resistance welding. तो सिंपल फंडा है, जब करंट फ्लो करेगा इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस जनरेटिंग के लिए, तो इलेक्ट्रिकल जो क्या कहता है वो जब उस जगह पे क्या होगा, जो दो इलेक्ट्रोड बेसिकली आप देख सकते हैं पॉजिटिव निगेटिव टर्मिनल को फॉलो अप कर रहे हैं, तो बीच का जो मेटल है वो उसको पर्टिकुलर रजिस्ट करता है, राइट। तो रजिस्ट करने के वजह से क्या होता है, उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे, वहाँ पे इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे वो हीट जो है लोकलाइज होना शुरू होता है, एंड ड्यू टू दैट circumstances that the local heat is generated and the particular welding is completed, right. So that is the basic funda, that is how this particular welding is to be happen. A very simple but very efficient work is to be happen. So how that heat generation is taking places, and on which behalf that particular criteria is to be fulfilled, that we need to take care. So that is, there is a formula of that particular resistance welding, that is H is equal to I square RT, where H is the generated heat. So heat कहाँ से जनरेट हो रही है, इलेक्ट्रोड से, और रजिस्ट कौन कर रहा है, बेसिकली वो पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल, right. So the unit of that heat is continue in the joule, and the I is the kind of electric current, and the unit of this is obviously we know that the amperage, and the arc is the electric resistance, and the unit of this is the ohm. The T is the time of the current flow, and the unit of this is second. And the generated heat can be used to soften the edge of the metal to shape a tough welding joint with the fusion, and due to that generate the weld with no application of any flux, filler material, and the shielding gas. So that the basic difference between these two types of कैटेगरी ऑफ द वेल्डिंग. एक वेल्डिंग ऐसी थी जिस वेल्डिंग में हम लोग तरह तरह के वेल्डिंग फिलर को यूज़ करते थे, फ्लक्स को यूज़ करते थे, वो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से, राइट. बट अब क्या है, थिन शीट को अगर हम वेल्ड कर रहे हैं तो उसमें हम पर्टिकुलर ना ही फ्लक्स को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ना ही फिलर मटेरियल को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट सिर्फ और सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस को यूज़ करके उस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन को हम ज्वाइन कर दे रहे हैं. दिस इज़ द बेसिक step down transformer that is utilizing for joining the weld, and this is the figure of the basic spot welding. As you can see, the two electrode from the upper and the downward positions, right. So the lower one, fixed one, or the upper one is the movable. So what happened when we place the workpiece in between them, we need to press the particular pedal so that the movable electrode is come together with this particular workpiece, and where the heat is start generating, where the electrical resistance start their work, and so that the particular location, as you can see, that the heat is locating on that particular workpiece started, and due to the work pressure, that the force which is applying also, it combine both the material with the help of heat and the force. So that is the basic funda that utilizing to join the particular materials or the sheets. So these are the techniques, the very basic technique that you utilizing. So the component that is utilizing in this particular welding, spot welding, that is the part to be welded, two opposing electrode, that the pressure is applied, squeezing part between the electrode, power supply that is controlling the current, and the applied the specified time duration as well. So these are the basic advantages and drawbacks as well, and later on in class we will detail about these resistance welding as well. So I just put this slide up because to understand why this particular material is differentiated by other methods. So इसका एडवांटेज ये है कि ऑब्वियसली इसमें किसी तरह का फिलर मटेरियल को हम यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. हाई प्रोडक्शन रेट पॉसिबल है क्योंकि जल्दी से इसको हम ज्वाइनिंग करते टच करते चले जाते हैं. एंड इट लेंड itself to the mechanization and automation as well. The lower operator skill level that other kind of arc welding processes, the good repeatability and reliability, but the disadvantages also है इसमें. The high initial equipment cost, limited to the lap joint for the most of the रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग प्रोसेसेस. तो लैप जॉइंट जो आपने देखा एक दूसरे के ऊपर उस शीट को रखते हैं, दैट इज़ लीडिंग टू द लैप जॉइंट, right. So these are the basic advantages and disadvantages. Now let's focus on this particular resistance welding in the detail, that this resistance spot welding Now we are going to discuss one by one how these resistance welding are categorized and what are the basic concept behind that this particular spot welding is to be happen. So resistance welding process in which fusion of fang surfaces of lap joint is achieved at one location by opposing the electrode, as you saw in the figure. They used to join the sheet metal parts, widely used for the mass production of the automobile, metal furnitures, appliances and other sheet metal work. तो बेसिकली ये जो रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग है ना, ये शीट मेटल वर्क के लिए ही अप्लाई किया गया और ये शीट मेटल का काम जो है हम बोले तो ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में भी इसको हम लोग यूटिलाइज करते हैं. सो टिपिकली द कोर बॉडी दैट इज हैविंग काइंड ऑफ 10,000 स्पॉट वेल्ड्स. सो दैट इज द मॉडिफिकेशन इन द वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस टू ज्वाइन द थिन शीट. पहले के टाइम में उनको जोड़ने में प्रॉब्लम होती थी, बट जब से रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग आया ये सारी चीज़ें ओवरकम हो गई. सो एनुअल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल इन द वर्ल्ड इज मेजर इन द 10th of million of units. So that particular units are joined by this particular advanced welding techniques. So you can see there is a figure that is showing over here in the spot welding. It's a very kind of a simplest kind of a welding operation where the work portion are held jointly below the force of the anvil face. As you can see, the notch of the particular electrode is holding the workpiece at a point and so as the weld is happen. So the copper electrode is utilizing in this. इसमें कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड को यूज़ करते हैं जो कि वर्क पोर्शन से कांटेक्ट करता है और उसको परपोश करता है and that leading to the flow of current as well. The work portion material apply a few resistance, right? So that particular within the current flow. तो ये जो वर्क प्रोसेस है, जो वर्क है बेसिकली वर्क का पीस है, वो क्या करता है, रेजिस्टेंस करता है मटेरियल ये इसको पर्टिकुलर फ्लो होने से एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस इज लीडिंग टू प्रोवाइडिंग अ काइंड ऑफ अ करंट फ्लो एंड प्रोवाइडिंग अ काइंड ऑफ अ हीट प्रोडक्शन. सो वी कैन यस. सो हम बात कर रहे थे इस पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट वेल्डिंग की. So the resistance is high at the edge of the particular surface because the air gap and the current begin to supply through it, then it will reduce the edge surface, right? So that is the spot welding. As you can see, this is the graphical representation. That was the graphical and this one is the picture frame of that spot welding. So you can understand how this welding is happening. So this spot welding is a resistance welding process that is used for joining the metal sheet by directly applying opposing forces with electrode with pointed tips. अच्छा, इस इलेक्ट्रोड का भी बहुत रोल है. ये इलेक्ट्रोड चूँकि हीट को रजिस्ट करता है, हीट को सप्लाई करता है, तो इसमें ना इसको भी मेंटेन करने का काम होता है. तो उसको हम लोग लेटर ऑन क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. आप इसमें फिगर में देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक छोटा सा स्पॉट दिख रहा होगा. दैट इज़ बेसिकली द स्पॉट वेल्डेड पोर्शन ऑफ द वेल्ड पीस, right? So you can see the particular location of that particular area, right? Let me see that. Yeah, that area is showing over here, that locating the particular portion of welded spot welded portion, right? So that happened and the next portion is welding in front of you, so that the current and the heat generation are localized from the from the electrodes, and the weld nugget size is usually defined by the electrode tip contact area as well. So this spot welding is predominant joining process in automotive industry for assembling the automobile bodies and the large component. So that the point we discussed earlier as well, right? So this is the basic concept of this particular joining process to utilizing. So this is the very interesting point of this spot welding. These are the step by step procedure. This is the spot welding cycle, that how these weld nuggets are accomplished and due to the help of the force and the heat, this small sheet, thin sheet of the automobile section is basically joined. So the spot welding cycle plot, as you can see in this particular figure, this figure basically explaining the step by step procedure of the spot welding, and that is also showing the welding cycle of this particular spot resistance welding. So this spot welding cycle, first showing the A portion. The A is the spot welding cycle, and the B, that is a plot of the force and the current. C, that the cycle part you can see here, that is the first the part inserted between the electrode. जिसको भी वेल्ड करना है उसको इलेक्ट्रोड के बीच में हमने लगाया. आप देख सकते हैं जो फिक्स वाला है लाइक अ एनविल, उस फिक्स वाले पे हमने उस वर्क पीस को रख दिया. फिर क्या किया, धीरे धीरे हमने पैडल को दबाना शुरू किया. तो पैडल से क्या होगा, जो अपर पोर्शन वाला मूवेबल इलेक्ट्रोड है वो उस पर्टिकुलर वर्क पीस पे आके ज्वाइन होगा. तब जब ज्वाइन होगा तो करंट का जो सर्किट फ्लो है वो स्टार्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. और अब थर्ड पोर्शन में आप देख सकते हैं दोनों ही फिगर में जहाँ पे वेल्ड नगेट बनना शुरू हो रहा है, दैट द करंट रेशियो इज हायर, रेजिस्टेंस इज हायर, and that the current is on, and then after a few seconds the power is to be released and the current is off at the particular portion of that particular fourth location, and then we release the electrode by removing the leg from the pedal. So that is how this particular spot welding cycle is to be completed. So this, the below the graph is showing the flow of that particular current and the proportion where the current is showing from this particular location, and the forces is also. So from the beginning of the first and ending of the fourth, the force is applied on the workpiece, and at that particular location of the third portion, the current, when the circuit is completed, the resistance is start, the flow of the particular heat is applied at the particular location, and due to that particular heat resistance, the particular weld nugget created, and due to that nugget the weld is accomplished on the particular sheet. So this is the basic spot welding cycle that we need to understand how this particular weld is to be happen. So this is the kind of a things that is happening in this particular scenario. That's why we are focusing on this particular location, right? So this is very much important thing to understand, and there are the other kind of variants of this particular welding operation as well. So let's see which kind of things are available for us. As you are familiar with this another kind of वेल्डिंग ऑपरेशन. अभी तक स्पॉट वेल्डिंग में हमने एक एक पॉइंट पे टाँका मारने जैसा काम किया. नाउ वी नीड अ कंप्लीट सीम वेल्डिंग टाइप. सो यू कैन सी द फिलेट, that is the lap joint is happening with the help of two rotating wheels, and these wheels are basically nothing, a kind of electrodes. So this resistance seam welding is a variation on resistance spot welding, and these welding electrode are a motor driven wheel rather than the stationary caps that we discussed in the earlier one. So this result in a seam or a rolling resistance welding. एक seam में welding करेगा, continuous welding करेगा. That's why it is called the seam welding. And then there are the three independent parameters that leading to this configuring the seam welding machine. That the sheet configuration जिस पे वो वेल्ड करना है, वेल्डिंग व्हील कन्फिग्रेशन जिस तरह के व्हील को यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस तरह के वेल्डिंग को करने के लिए, एंड द पावर सप्लाई ऑब्वियसली, बिना उसके तो होगा नहीं. सो द मेजर कंसर्न विद द पावर सप्लाई दैट द कंट्रोल द फ्रीक्वेंसी विद विच द करंट इज अप्लाइड टू द वर्क पीस. तो जो मेजर कंसर्न है इसका इस पर्टिकुलर वेल्डिंग में जो पावर सप्लाई का है, एंड दैट डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी and the speed with which the material is being welded, the weld will be either a continuous seam weld or overlapping seam weld or a roller spot weld. So that the frequency basically leading to that particular kind of a operation to perform a seam welding on the same operation work. As you can see, this is the colorful welding process, and there is a coolant is also provided to maintain that the copper wheels is rotating to join the sheets. And the overlapping or the continuous seam weld are typically used, that is to produce the continuous gas or the watertight joint in the sheet assemblies such as automotive gasoline tanks. तो ये इस तरह के टैंक्स को यूटिलाइजेशन करने के लिए हम लोग बेसिकली इसको यूज़ में ले आते हैं, राइट. सो द प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो यूज टू वेल्ड लॉन्गिट्यूडनल सीम इन स्ट्रक्चरल ट्यूबुलर सेक्शन. जो ट्यूबुलर सेक्शंस होते हैं मतलब ट्यूब्स जो हैं स्ट्रक्चर में जो ट्यूब्स यूज़ होते हैं उस तरह के स्ट्रक्चर को वेल्ड करने के लिए ये काम में आते हैं. एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्यूब विच इज़ which do not require any kind of a leak tight seam is to be accomplished by this particular portion. So the most application, the two wheel electrode are used, or one translating wheel and a stationary mandrel are used to provide the current pressure for resistance seam welding. And that the particular thing that is happening with this, that using the rotating wheel electrode to produce the series or overlapping spot weld. And the application, that is the gasoline tank for producing the airtight joints and automobile mufflers, various sheet metal containers. So these are the basic applications of this seam welding process that is to be utilized. So this is the another view of this particular resistance seam welding that is accomplished to join the sheet in a series of the spots welding, so we can maintain the particular system. तो ये एडवांस टेक्निक्स हैं जिनको हम लोग यूज़ करते आए हैं. एंड देर इज़ अनदर वेरिएंट्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग एज वेल. सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ projection welding, that the projection, as you can see, that the particular focusing projection means that आपने projection का बारे में पढ़ा भी होगा क्या होता है projection. यहाँ पे इस projection को हम लोग basically define कर रहे हैं component के ऊपर, that is the embossment by directly applying the opposing forces. As you can see, the embossing portion that the projection is applying, and the current, the heat generation are localized by the shape of the workpiece, either with their natural shape or with the design projection. So this large deformation is happening over here. As you can see, the large deformation or the collapse will occur in the projection part of the workpiece, that implying high process machine dynamic projection welding, that is to be utilizing for the electrical, electronic, automotive and constructional industry, and manufacturing of the sensor, valve and the pumps, that is to be utilized. So this is the kind of projection welding that utilizing. As you can see, this is the similar to the spot welding, obviously the all resistance welding leading to that particular. So this resistance welding utilizing these coulomb, and due to that this utilization is happen. So this you can see how these projections are welded. So the starting of the operation, that the contact between the part in the projection, when the current is applied, the weld nuggets similar to the spot welding are formed at a projection. So you can see that the sheet metal part having a kind of projections, so that projection is to be focused, and the welding is to be accomplished. So this is the kind of a thing that we need to discuss here. And in the later on class we will discuss about the various kind of parameters that influence the quality of the weld that is happening on the metal sheets. So in the later class we will discuss on this, right? So these are all basic resistance welding working are the same, that we are utilizing the heat and applying the pressure, so the weld is to be accomplished on a various thin sheets helping to the automobile sector in a very efficient manner, in the marine sector as well, electronics industries as well. So these are the very precisely and advanced technique that are utilizing for joining the materials in a very efficient manners. So that's why these conditions are utilizing for application of the particular welding operation. So we will discuss these parameters in the later on class, right?